This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Maruchan, Toyo Suisan, Fuji no Miya Yakisoba. It's got Mount Fuji in the background. So, time to make some yakisoba. Oh, we got boiling water. It's a 3-minuter for 3 minutes. So we gotta put this one in there. This one's the bits. Let's drop in the bits. And we're gonna drop in the noodle block, which doesn't fit great in here, but I'll let it sit for a second, work its way down, 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 down. Almost there. Come on. Get in there. But yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want it to flip over and burn my hand. Yeah, I gotta say, this book of Boba Fett, it started off slow and it's been fascinating. And now it's like all of a sudden just turned into Mando. But some of the episodes on it, I gotta say, it's like freaking, I feel like I'm 8 years old again. I'm like so stoked to watch this shit. It's really good. Oh, 3 minutes. That's funny. The first one I did today was 5 minutes. The second one was 4. Now we got 3. These sachets that you see like this that come with yakisoba are usually full of mayo. It's not full of mayo. It's full of a powder, which is really odd. I'll put it on top too. But yeah, once I'm all done with this, I'm gonna shortly thereafter go walking. And I'm gonna walk all over the place. Try to get the same amount as yesterday, that'd be nice. But we've got like scheduling and all sorts of stuff to do. I got all sorts of stuff to do tomorrow too, and I want to get 3 more reviews. It's like always a mad jumble of, oh, well, I got time for this, but not this, and you know. So, but yeah, let's see. It's funny. I'm looking at the lens here, and I know that there's got to be like grease on the lens right now, but I can't see it. But if I brush against that lens, it'll get all like stirred up. It doesn't look bad on here. Looks pretty clean. But yeah, when I use the blowtorch on the chashu, that stuff, yeah, it sprays all over this camera. There's like a bunch of little dots of it on the camera. And on the Lego brick that's underneath the camera. I've got a, let's see, it's 8 wide, 2 tall, and it's that thick Lego, so it fits in this little clamp that I have on here. It works well. I tried other stuff in the past, but this is like, this works. So I'm sticking with it. Minute 10. I don't know. Has Russia invaded the Ukraine yet? Where you're at? Not in my temporal existence. I'm just waiting to see some kind of like crazy pan-global coup happen that's gonna be just like fascination overload. But I don't know. Oh yeah, we watched this movie last night. The movie's called Lockdown, but then they changed it, I guess, to COVID-19 Invasion. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, if you have the chance to find this movie and watch it, do, because it is so bad. There's like, COVID has killed everybody. It's so weird. There's so many plot holes. It's so implausible. It's like, There's a high school where a bunch of homeless crackheads live, and this one guy, he goes and decides that he needs to get his buddies there and like kill all the crackheads because they're the ones giving everybody COVID. Yeah, it's not the homeless people. They're all wearing neck gaiters. There's no cops that show up. However, they get a thing in the mail saying that, like, the protagonists get a thing in the mail saying that they, oh my God, there's a cure! They found a cure! And then, of course, a bad guy is gonna kill him. It's the weirdest freaking bizarro movie I've ever seen. And it was just like, we started watching it. We were gonna watch like a few minutes of it. We watched the whole thing, and it was just so bad. So freaking bad. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. That's a lot of... Here, now you can look at it. That's a lot of freaking yakisoba. I wasn't thinking there'd be that much. I've got a plate that I want to put it on, but I wanted to plate it in a certain way, and I don't think that's gonna work. We'll see if it fits. If it fits, it fits. Alright, there's that. Yeah, COVID-19 Invasion. You got to see this movie. It's so bad that it's like, I don't know, it's like a room with a bunch of precariously stacked wine glasses in the middle, and then all of a sudden the door opens and like 20 toddlers go in there. It's like, you know it's gonna happen. They're gonna knock them down, but they're probably gonna get like all sliced up. But it's like, God, that's horrible. Who wants to watch that? But you can't look away. It's that kind of horrible. It's what was that? My favorite thing now. It's both horrifying, it's terrifying and stupid. Like if the Muppets did a reenactment of the Vietnam War. That's like my favorite new thing to say. Ooh, that was a lot of bonito. I think Mount Fuji yielded a lot of fishy. We'll see. I don't know. I'm very confused by this yakisoba. I don't know where they're going with it. I don't know what the idea is, but it's supposedly approved by an official yakisoba organization, which you got to give it to Japan. Like, oh, well, you know, the yakisoba fan base, you know, they demand this kind of quality, and they're getting it. All right. Well, let's see what my face hole, my cheese slot, my primary opening has to say. It's basically like a sauce yakisoba with a little extra, it seems a little richer. The noodle is really nice. What we got in here? We got a bit of some cabbage. I know there's a lot more lurking down here. Beef? Steak. Very chewy. Wow. Wow. Woo. 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 Okay. Yeah, we'll see if this all fits in here, because that's how I want to do my plating. Oh, come on. Come on, cyclone of soba cyclone. You're gonna be like, what are you Dude, what's wrong with you? Well, I've got a plate. It's flat and it doesn't have like a well in the middle, so I want to make it kind of stand up a little bit, or at least be somewhat more circular instead of like a lopsided mess. But I don't know if that's gonna even happen here. It works good in certain situations. Okay. Let's get that in there. Oh, that's hot, that's hot. So there is our Yakisoba. Here is our beautiful black plate. I got this just to make do the I got this to do the Indomie definitive guide. Could have gone a little better. Kind of spastic. Just do that. That's all right. It's okay. No, I didn't open the $1 million box. That's okay. It's all right. Have you guys noticed that it certainly seems like a lot of game shows are not like actual contestants, but they're all actors? Didn't used to be that way. I mean, you had like really weird people on Price is Right. I guess it's too much of an unstable element. It could go like this way or that way. So maybe they just decided they didn't want to do that anymore. But that's like the whole thing, like real people winning real money, you know? Don't you want that? Is it just too much? I can understand. Some things are difficult, but sometimes they're worth it. Like blowtorching chashu. Alright. Take that! Am I burning the noodle? Oh, I am burning the noodle. Interesting. This is the first time I've tried doing this with like yakisoba. So I gotta improve my aim. Sorry, noodle. Let me take a bird's eye view of this sucker. A little bit like that. It's a mountain of yakisoba. God. I think, big old thing right there. Okay, let's just do this. Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to do. Kind of, sorta. A little bit of cleanup on aisle 5 here. Since that's just liquid and not water, or not yolk, this should come up okay. Well, that's going to be a little bit of post, isn't it? Gonna have to clean it up in post. Oh, what we got here? Oh boy. Let's throw some spring onion on. We got a lot of spring onion here. What else we got? We got some of this. be a new way to not do it. I think we're good. I don't know what else to throw on here. Looks kind of neat. I'm cool with that. Alright. Yeah, that's a big mound of yakisoba with chashu. I think this is yakisoba my wife would like. I do think so. Here we go. Well, time to put everything away and take pictures and start editing. So this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.